Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, first one, let's select these all layers and let's click this checkbox for 3D layers. Okay, and let's right mouse, composition settings, go to render and select here 3D render, not cinema 4D. Okay, click OK. And right now go to active camera. Let's select here top and let's zoom to back. First, select this layer ground. Let's press P and move to back. Let's hold shift, move to back and select this layer 15, press P and hold shift, move to back, and layer 14, press P and move to back, and layer 13, let's move to back with some way, and 12 also move to back, and 11 let's move to back, and layer 10 move to back, 9 also move to back, and layer 8 press P, move to back, and layer 7 press P, move to back, and layer 6 press P and move to back. Let's zoom to here, and layer 5 press P and also move to back here, and layer 4 press P, move to back. Right now select this layer 3, press P and let's move to here, and layer 2 press P, move to like this, and layer 1 press P, move to here. Okay, so let's select all layers with Ctrl A, close settings and back to active camera. Let's see. Okay, right now let's create new camera. Don't change any settings, click OK. And select camera, right mouse, go to camera and let's create orbit null. Let's hold Ctrl, double click palm behind icon for move anchor point center, click session tool and let's press P, move to back for see all pipes. Okay. So in this time, let's back to top view. Let's see. Okay, this is my camera and this is first layer. Okay, let's back to active camera, and right now let's select this background layer, press S, change scale like this, and layer 15 press S, change scale like this. Okay, layer 14 let's change scale. Finally 1, change scale like this. Okay, so let's close all scale settings and select this camera controller, press P, make new passing keyframe and go to 10 seconds and let's make dolly animation like this. Okay, we have problems with these pipes. Let me show a solution. First, let's go to here and right now select this pipe. Let's move to left and this pipe move to down. Let's see. Okay, and this pipe, let's see. Okay, press S, we can change scale. Okay, let's change scale like this. Nice, and let's move to down. Okay, not bad. And these pipes, let's move to left, and this pipe, let's move to right. And this, let's move to left and move to up. Let's move to up more. Let's press S, change scale like this. Okay, and this pipe, Let's move to right a little bit. Okay, and this pipe, let's move to left. And this moved up. Okay, and this pipe, let's move to left. Okay, not bad. And let's select this pipe, let's move to left like this. Okay, not bad. So select this pipe, let's press S, change scale, and move to up like this. Okay, and this pipe, let's move to up like this. Okay, not bad. And we can see here there are very low quality vectors. Let's select all vector layers and click this icon for quality vector. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's select all layers and click this icon. I will use this icon for finish work. And select camera control. Let's hold shift press R. I want to add some rotation movements. Let's make X, Y and Z rotation. Let's go to here. In this time, let's change rotation a little bit like this. Okay, let's change this rotation. Okay, and in this time we can change rotation like this. Okay, and go to here again, change rotation like this. Nice. And finally, let's change rotation. Okay, nice. So select these all rotation keyframes. Let's make easy or click F9. Let's animation. Okay, not bad. So let's select this layer and let's also write like this. Let's see. Let's move front. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's select this camera, open options and camera options. Let's go to last keyframe and change quality full. And let's enable depth of field. Change aperture 100 and blur 150. And change focus distance for this background layer. Okay, and let's back here and change aperture 200 or 600. I'll change quality quarter. Okay, let's try change 400. Okay, that's good. So change quality full. Let's see. Okay, let's try change focus distance for see difference. Okay, that's good. So after finish animation, we can again select all layers and click this icon for quality vectors. So let's see full animation. Okay, looks good. We can add here some lights for more realistic scenes. Let's try. Let's change quarter. Go to here, right mouse, new and light. Use light type spot and click cast shadows. Click OK. Then select the spotlight. Let's open inside light option, and we can use here light intensity and color. Let's use yellow. Okay, let's try color like this. And in this time, let's open here. We can use movement light like this. Let's see. Okay, let's use here, and this target like this. Let's move to back. Okay, that's good. Also, we can make animation. Let's make keyframes like this and go to here and change light like this. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Let's close light for see difference. Okay, very good. And go to here. Let's try change right here. Okay, nice. So we can use camera here. Let's change view 1, and we can use light here. Let's in this time go to here and change like this. Change view active camera. Okay, very nice. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.